Hello beauties, welcome to my kitchen. That's Beauty Butelezi. Today we are making banana bread, but before we cook banana bread, I would like to show you guys some of the dishes that I have made. If you would like to cook some of the dishes, check the description box. I will write down the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. In front of me, I will show you the ingredients that we're gonna be using. Like today, as I told you, we are doing banana bread, but before we start to do banana bread, please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see in front of me, I have butter and I have milk. I have baking powder and I have brown bread with flour, and I have 3 bananas. For sure you can see. I'm gonna use this cup that I'm showing you to measure all my ingredients that I need to measure using a cup. As you can see, we're trying to show you guys everything that I'm using. 3 bananas, as I said, and you can see 2 eggs, bicarbonate of soda, and vanilla essence. And I'm gonna be adding I will add castor sugar, and I will add coconut inside our banana bread. Again, I'm gonna show you guys the cup that I'm gonna be using to measure castor sugar, flour, and coconut. And I'm gonna be using the same cup to measure the milk too. Now we are about to start. Right now, as you can see, that's castor sugar and our butter. I'm gonna cream the mixture together until our butter is soft and is creamy.